Hi everyone, I am Bhavya and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share my personal action plan focused on idea stage start. This isn't just assignment for me, it's just roadmap for skill development, market readiness, and eventually turning a brilliant idea into a successful venture. I'm going to walk you through each of steps I have learned for myself over the next several months, outlining the specific resources I'll use and the timeline I have set for each goal. Let's begin with the core of my plan, developing the technical and entrepreneurial skills necessary to succeed in today's competitive tech landscape. First up are my programming skills. I have enrolled into a Python specialization course on Coursera, and I frequently use code academies to reinforce my coding fundamentals. I'm also dedicated to learn Java as its language that many startups or enterprises environments appreciate. I plan to dive deep into these languages and courses during March and April of 2025, building a strong technical foundation that I will support my startup's product development. Next, I recognize the effective communication and language proficiency are crucial in today's global market. To work on my English proficiency, I have scheduled an academic English course on Coursera between April and May. This will help me not only in writing pitches and also project reports, but also in delivering effective presentations to investors and potential collaborators. Another critical criteria is understanding of data structures and algorithm. I'm currently using platforms like LeetCode and Geeks for Geeks to sharpen my problem-solving abilities. I plan to intensively focus on these topics for about 2 months again from March to May 2025. These sessions will ensure I have well-rounded technical skill set, which is essential if I plan to build robust, scalable solutions for my startup. Moving on to software engineering, which is the backbone of any tech-based startup, I have divided this into learning phase into two parts. For plan A of my career, where I aim to further top-tier approach, I'm making it a comprehensive software engineering specialization course on Coursera between May to June 2025. For the backup plans, I have an alternative pathway lined up using software engineering essentials course on edX, which I am slated to pursue between June and July 2025. These courses will help me refine to my approach to designing and developing solutions that meet real market needs. Alongside technical courses, I'm fully aware that soft skills like communication are critical. I'm enrolling into a professional communication course on Coursera to help me to articulate my vision clearly and confidently. I'm improving these skills is a part of my ongoing journey, and I'll integrate them continuously as a part of my preparation. Projects and building a portfolio are another cornerstone of my action plan. I'm dedicating time on GitHub to build a personal project that highlights my technical skills and my startup idea. This project will use the latest technology stacks that align with my vision and serve as a proof of concept to prospective investors or collaborators. Networking is equally important, and I plan to actively engage in online communities and attend industry events in the period from July to August. And I'll be taking courses on LinkedIn Learning and Coursera to deepen my networking fundamentals. Now, when it comes to certifications, I have set clear targets in the month of August to September 2025. I plan to aim certifications that best align in my career track. For my top tier plan, I am targeting for AWS Certified Developer Associate exam. Meanwhile, for mid-tier track, I'll be looking at Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Developer certification. And as a backup, I'm considering CompTIA A+ for entry level segment. These certifications will validate my technical proficiency and enhance my credibility in the startup world. Finally, I plan to participate in hackathons, events that offer both exposure and practical experience. Starting from September and extending to November, I will engage in competitive coding contests and tech challenges on platforms like HackerRank, CodeForces, or TechGig. Thank you for watching and for joining me on this exciting journey. I hope this plan inspires you to map out your own path. Be sure check descriptions for link to resources mentioned. Stay tuned for more updates as I progress on the startup journey, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on turning ideas into actions.